Well, hello, Croners. Welcome back to another episode of the Crono Guide. Today, we'll understand how to create new templates in Crono. Templates are pre-written text bodies that can be used in various stages of your sequences. And in Crono, you can create templates for 6 different purposes. For your emails, for notes to be added to your LinkedIn invitations, for your LinkedIn messages and LinkedIn emails, for your LinkedIn voice notes, and even for scripts that you can use for your cold calling. Let's check it out.
First, you need to access your template section. Then choose the type of template you want to create, and then click on New. Choose a template title to help you categorize them by usage, and add a subject that will be visible to the contacts you send the email to. Then, start typing your contact in the text area provided. You can customize the text font, size, and many other stylistic features. Additionally, you can insert links, attachments, and images. Most importantly, you also have the option to include variables, which will help you address the recipient more personally, such as using the contact name. As the name suggests, variables are part of your template that change automatically based on whom you're speaking with. By inserting the variable contact name, for example, if the person's name is James or Martha, this section of the text will be populated with the respective name, based on the information retrieved from Crono about the contact. You can then add the language and some tags to help you filter to the various templates that you create. You can add the template to a specific list of templates, so you can keep your template section more organized, and then you can check this box if you want to keep your template private, so that it will not be shared with your team members. In the case of email templates, if you want to see how the final email will look like once it reaches the contact, you can click on Send Test, which will send the test email to your inbox using the template you have just created.
Once you're satisfied with the result, click Create.
Moving on to creating a LinkedIn message template, the process is quite similar, except that since these messages will be sent on LinkedIn, there are fewer customization options due to LinkedIn restrictions on text formatting. However, you still have the option to include variables.
The creation of templates for LinkedIn voice notes works exactly as you would imagine. You record your voice message, which can then be inserted into your sequences. The memo will therefore be sent automatically, if the step is set to auto, to anyone you insert into the sequence without needing to record it again each time.
In all template sections, whether for emails or LinkedIn templates, you have the possibility to use the AI to generate templates for you. Simply click on the Generate button, choose the template type, the language, and provide the AI with a brief description of your product. Specify the role you're targeting and define the purpose of the template. Then, indicate if it is an initial message or a follow-up, and set the tone of voice. Finally, specify how long you want the text to be and click Generate. If you're satisfied with the result, give it a name and click Create. In the template section interface, you can see how many times each template has been used and the reply rate for each one, so you can clearly understand what is working and what is not.
A quick note before closing. You can also create templates directly within the sequence by
Clicking inside of the step you have inserted and typing the text.
That's all for today. Thank you for the attention and keep pushing forward in the sales world.